Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about Hermite differential equation and its power series solution. So in general, the Hermite differential equation is d square y by dx square minus 2x dy by dx plus 2ny equal to 0. Let it is your equation number 1. Here n is the constant. Now to solve this differential equation, a power series solution has been considered. Let the solution is in the form of y equal to r equal to 0 to infinity summation over ar x to the power k plus r. Let it is your equation number 2. So here I suggest that before you have to watch this video, at least you have to watch the Legendre differential equation and its solution, because somehow this will be considered as the solution of this differential equation. That things we have been discussed in the Legendre differential equation. Here I written straightly that we have been taken that the solution of this differential equation, let the solution of this differential equation is this one. This is actually a power series solution. So the first derivative of this one will be equal to r equal to 0 to infinity ar k plus r x to the power k plus r minus 1. Let it is your equation number 3. d square y by dx square, second derivative will be summation over r equal to 0 to infinity ar k plus r minus 1 x to the power k plus r minus 1. Let it is your equation number 4. Now we have to put 2, 3, 4 equation in your equation number 1. Then what we are going to get? Just put, it will be r equal to 0 to infinity ar k plus r into k plus r minus 1 into x to the power k plus r minus 2 minus 2x. Here it is minus 2x dy by dx. So minus 2x r equal to 0 to infinity ar k plus r x to the power k plus r minus 1 plus 2n into y. 2n r equal to 0 to infinity summation over ar x to the power k plus r equal to 0. So here you can see 2 into x, that means x to the power 1, here x to the power k plus r minus 1. So whenever I will add this 1 with this power k plus r minus 1, so only we can get x to the power k plus r. So we can found the first term as usual we have been written over here, minus 2, here x power is added over here. So it will be ar k plus r into x to the power k plus r plus 2n summation over r is equal to 0 to infinity ar x to the power k plus r. ar x to the power k plus r equal to 0. Then here in second term 2 and in third term 2 is there. So we can take 2 as the common. So this first term again we have to return, we have been written as usual. Then here minus 2 taken as common, it will be in the bracket of summation over r is equal to 0 to infinity ar k plus r x to the power k plus r. Here plus will be minus a into summation over r is equal to 0 to infinity ar into x to the power k plus r, bracket closed, equal to 0. Now here you can see among these two terms x to the power k plus r is common. So we can take common from these two terms. So again this first term written as usual. Okay, so minus 2 summation over r equal to 0 to infinity in bracket ar also common. Here ar x to the power k plus r is common in between these two terms. So ar x to the power k plus r taken common and we can get k plus r minus n, bracket close, equal to 0. So for my easy explanation I have been written this last expression in the next page. Okay, so same thing I have been written over here for my easy explanation, because I should not have to go again and again to the back page. So here we found r equal to 0 to infinity, whatever we found in the last page. Now equating the power of x, actually here we have to write equalizing, not equating, equalizing. Now equalizing the power of x, that means here x to the power k plus r minus 2, here x to the power k plus r. To equalize the power of x of both the term, what we have been considered? We have been considered that r equal to s plus 2 for the first term and r is equal to s for the second term. So now equalizing the both the powers of the x of both the terms, we considered r is equal to s plus 2 for first one, r equal to s for second one. Now put r equal to s plus 2 here. So whenever we have to put r equal to s plus 2, then s plus 2 equal to 0. So hence s equal to minus 2, right? So it will be summation over s is equal to minus 2 to infinity. Instead of r we have to put s plus r. Here r is going to be substituted by s plus r. Here s plus 1. So s plus 2. R is substituted by s plus 2. Then here r is substituted by s plus 2. Here minus 1 is there. So s plus k plus s plus 1 into x to the power, here k plus r, this is r, okay, this is r, k plus r minus 2. So if we have to put instead of r s plus 2, then it will be k plus s. Then come to the second term. Second term we have to just put instead of r equal to s. So it will be minus 2 r, instead of r it will be s equal to 0 to infinity, s is equal to 0 to infinity. Here ar, it will be as x to the power k plus s, k plus, instead of r we have to write s minus n equal to 0. Now expanding the first term up to x plus k. So here you can found that, sorry, here I have to write, now expand the first term up to summation starts from s equal to 0. See, here in the first term summation starts from s is equal to minus 2 to infinity. Here summation starts from s equal to 0 to infinity. So here this term is going to expand up to s is equal to 0 to infinity. So first we have to put minus, now first we have to expand, that means s is equal to minus 2. So here s equal to minus 2 means this will be a0. In s equal to minus 2 means minus 2 plus 2 will be 0, will be only k. Here s, you put s equal to minus 2, so it will be k minus 1, x to the power k, s will be minus 2, x to the power k minus 2. Then the second term will be a equal to minus 1, sorry, s equal to minus 1. So minus 1 if we have to put over here, then it will be a1. Minus 1 means it will be k plus 1. Minus 1 if we have to put over here, then it will be k. X to the power k minus 1. Okay. Next term will be s is equal to 0. And it will be continue up to infinity. So I can write s equal to 0 to infinity. Same thing. Same terms, that is a s plus 2 k into k s plus 2 into k s plus 1 into x to the power k plus s, and the second term written as usual equal to 0. Let it is your equation number 5. Now to finding the initial equation, we know that after this finding this equation, we have to find out the initial equation. So now initial equation can be found by equating the coefficient of the lowest power of x to 0. Equating lowest power of x to 0. So here in the equation number 5, the lowest power is your x to the power k minus 2 and the coefficient is this one. Now we have to equate this one to 0. What we can found? a0 into k minus 1 equal to 0. But a0 could not be 0. Sorry, could not be 0. a0 could not be 0. a0 could not be 0. So hence k equal to 0 and k equal to 1. So here we got two roots. By using two roots we can found the recursion relation later. Now equating the coefficient of second lowest power of x. Now equating the coefficient of second lowest power of x to 0. We get second lowest power means here x to the power k minus 1 is the second lowest power, and the coefficient is this one, a1 k plus 1 into k, that we have to put as 0. What we can get here, before we got k equal to 0 and k equal to 1, the two roots. Now we have to consider k equal to 0. Suppose we have to put k equal to 0. So a1 equal to 0. Okay. Sorry, I done a mistake here. Suppose we have to consider k equal to 1. Okay. If k equal to 1, then to satisfy this equation 7, a1 should be 0. So a1 should be 0 for k equal to 1. Now for k equal to 0, a1 may be 0, may not be 0. So same thing it is written here, that a1 may or may not be 0, for k equal to 0. Okay. Now to find out the recursion relation, equate the coefficient of highest power to 0. What we can get here, highest power is your x to the power k plus s. See here x to the power k plus s, here x to the power k plus s is there. So we can add these two terms by taking common as x to the power k plus 1, k plus s is common. We can take common x to the power k plus s. So what will be the coefficient? It will be a s plus 2 into k s plus 2 into k s plus 1 minus 2 as k plus s minus n. Okay, same thing it is written over here, that is as plus 2 into k plus s plus 2 into k plus s plus 1 minus 2 into as into k plus s minus n equal to 0. So that implies we can found that as plus 2 will be equal to 2 into as, take this term to this side, 2 into as into k plus s minus n whole divided by k plus s plus 2 into k plus s plus 1. Let it is your equation number 8. This is called as the recursion relation. Now we have to find out the recursion relation and its corresponding solution for k equal to 0. You just put k equal to 0 in this equation, in equation number 8. What you can get? We can get as plus 2 will be equal to, see here k equal to 0, that means 2 into s minus 2 into n into s, 2s minus 2n into s whole divided by s plus 2, because k equal to 0. So s plus 2 into s plus 1. Let it is your equation number 9. Okay. Now to find out each and every coefficients, first we have been considered that s equal to 0. So put s equal to 0 over here. You can found a2 will be equal to minus 2n by 2 into 1, because here s equal to 0, so 2 into 1 into s we have been considered as 0, so a0 will be equal to minus 2n by 2 into 1 is nothing but 2 factorial into a0. Okay. Now consider s equal to 2. S equal to 2 means 2 plus 2 will be equal to 4. So a4 equal to, here 2 means 4. 4 minus 2n by 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 1, 3 into a2. Already a2 value we got this one. Just put over here and we found this much. From this 4 minus 2n, you take the common as 2. How much you can get? You can get that 2. If we have to take common, it will be 2 minus n by 4 into 3 into minus 2n by 2 factorial into a0. Okay, here you do one thing, it will be better. Take minus 2 as common, it will be n minus 2. Okay, it will be n minus 2. So here we can write, here one is minus 2, here another minus 2 is there. So we can write minus 2 to the power 2. Minus 2 to the power 2 into n minus 2 by 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. That means 4 factorial into a0. Likewise, we can consider for AC is equal to 4, then we can found A6 value, and all the even value we can found in this way. So here I written dot 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 and so on. So in general, A2M, even terms, even coefficients, in general what we can write? We can write minus 2 to the power m into n minus 2 dot 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 n minus 2m plus 2 into a0 by 2m factorial. You just cross check for a4. Okay, for a4 we have to put how much? We have to put 2, m equal to 2. So here I have to write that m is nothing but 1, 2, 3 up to dot 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 dot. So for cross checking of a4, we have to consider m equal to 2. So it will be a4 minus 2 to the power 2 n into n minus 2 dot 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 n minus 2. Here m we have been considered as how much? 2. So 2 into 2, 4, minus 4 plus 2 will be minus 2. So that means this continuation will be continue up to n minus 2. Already I have been written, so here it will be stop. For a4 it will stop over here into a0 whole divided by 2 into 2 equal 4 factorial. Already we got this much. So in this way we can get other higher even terms like a6, a8, a10, like that. So this is your general form of a2m. Next we have to consider s is equal to 1 in equation number 1. In equation number 9, we have to consider if s is equal to 1. S is equal to 1 means it will be a3. Here 2 minus 2 1, because s equal to 1 means 2 minus 2n whole divided by 3, because 1 plus 2 equal 3, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So 3 into 2. So same thing I have been written over here. For s is equal to 1, it will be 2 minus 2n by 3 into 2 into a1 is equal to minus 2. If we have to take common, it will be n minus 1 by 3 factorial into a1. Likewise, for s is equal to 3, this will be a5. a5 will be equal to, you just put a3. a3 means it will be 6 minus 2n by 5 into 4 into a3. So a5 will be equal to 6 minus 2n by 5 into 4 into a3. a3 already we got this much. We have been substituted this value over here, and at last we found minus 2 to the power n minus 1 into n minus 3 by 5 factorial into a1, and so on. Means other terms can be calculated by this way. In general, we can write a2m plus 1 is equal to minus 2 to the power m n minus 1 into n minus 3 up to n minus 2m plus 1 whole divided by 2m plus 1 factorial into a1. Here you just write, here m is equal to 1, 2, 3 and dot dot. So now for a1 not equal to 0, a1 not equal to 0, because here we consider the case k equal to 0. For k equal to 0, for k equal to 0, a1 may or may not be 0. So first we have to consider a1 not equal to 0. Then what will be the solution? So now for a1 not equal to 0, the series solution becomes r equal to 0 to infinity ar x to the power r, because the general series solution is nothing but ar x to the power k plus r. Here k is nothing but 0, so ar x to the power r. So if we have to expand, we can found a0 a1x a2x square plus a3x cube. So y equal to general solution will be a0, the solution for a not equal to 0, okay, a0 plus a1x plus a2 value already we found here. Just we have to put 2n minus 2n by 2 factorial into a0 minus 2n by 2 factorial into a0 x square. Next a3 value, here we found minus 2 into n minus 1 by 3 factorial into a1 x cube, and dot 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 dot. This is the general term of even general form of even terms, and this is the general form of odd terms. Means here this one I have been written this one, because if we have to consider higher terms, then this is the general term of the even terms and the general form of the odd terms. So we have to take a0 as the common. So if we have to take a0 common, so a0 we can found in the even terms. See, a0 here x square a0, wherever the x4 will be there a0 we can found. So y equal to a0 taken common, so 1 minus 2n by 2 factorial into x square, a0 taken common, so minus 2n by 2 factorial into x square plus 2 square into n minus 2 by 4 factorial into x4, and dot 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 dot, the general form of even terms. Likewise, if we have to take common as a1, what we can found? We can found 1 minus 2 into n minus 1 by 3 factorial. Here a1 taken common, so it will be x, mistakenly not written, x minus 2 into n minus 1 by 3 factorial. See, minus 2 into n minus 1 by 3 factorial into x cube, and then minus 2 square into n minus 1 into n minus 3 by 5 factorial into x to the power 5, and so on. And this is the general form of odd terms plus so on. Let this is your equation number 12. So this is the general solution we found for a1 not equal to 0, right? Okay, for a1 equal to 0, then what will be the solution? For a1 equal to 0, then this whole things is going to be cancelled out. This whole things, this one a1 into this whole is going to be cancelled, right? Cancelled out, and we can found only a0 into this much term. So same thing I have been written over here. But for a1 equal to 0, the solution will be this much, a0 into the whole term. Let this is your solution as y1 and equation number 3. Okay, now we have to consider for k is equal to 1 and corresponding recursion relation and corresponding solution. Okay, now we have to consider k equal to 1 for equation number 8. This is your general form of recursion relation. Now we have to put k equal to 1, right? K equal to 1 means it will be 2 into s plus 1, 2 into s plus 1, then 2 into s plus 1 and minus 2n because here it is written k plus s minus n, so I can write 2 into s plus 1 as k is 1, then minus 2n into s whole divided by k is 1, so it will be s plus 3 into s plus 2. Okay, so this will be s plus 3 into s plus 2. Let it is your equation number 14. Now we know that for k equal to 1, a1 equal to 0. Hence a3, a5, a7 and all the odd a values is going to be 0, because always we know that a3, whenever we have to find out the a3, it will be the multiplication of a1, a5 is multiplication of a1, so a3, a5, a7 and all the odd a values is going to be 0. Now we have to put s is equal to 0 to 4 and so on for even terms of a. So s is equal to 0 we have to put in equation number 14. We can found s equal to 0 means a2, it will be 2 minus 2n by 3 into 2, 3 into 2 into a0. So if we have to take minus 2 as common, then n minus 1 by 3 factorial into a0. Likewise, if we have to consider s equal to 2, then a4, s equal to 2, then a4 will be equal to 2 into, this is 2 plus 1, 3, 2 into 6 minus 2n, 6 minus 2n by 5 into 4, 5 into 4 into a2, s equal to 2 means a2, already a2 value we got this one, minus 2 n minus 1 by 3 factorial into a0. I substituted over here and at last we found minus 2 to the power n minus 1 into n minus 3 by 5 factorial into a0, and in this way we can calculate other even values of a. So I written dot 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 and so on. In general the even terms of a can be written as a to m will be equal to minus 2 to the power m, n minus 1 n minus 2 into n minus 3 dot 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 n minus 2m plus 1 whole divided by 2m plus 1 factorial. Here you just write here m equal to nothing but 1 2 3 dot 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 dot. Okay, now the solution will be, the general solution will be how much? We know that this is general solution is in the form of r equal to 0 to infinity a r x to the power k plus r, but here k equal to 1, so it will be r equal to 0 to infinity a r x to the power r plus 1, k is 1, so it will be r plus 1. So y, if I will be expand this one, this will be y equal to here a0 x to the power x to the power 1, that means a0 x plus a1 x square plus a2 x cube plus a3 x4 plus a4 x5 and so on. But a1 a3 a5 are 0, so y will be only the even values of a, that means a0 x, a2 x cube, a4 x5 and so on, and this terms is going to be cancelled out because a1 a3 are 0. So now we have to put the value of a2 and a4, so that implies y will be equal to a0x minus a2, already we found here that minus 2 into n minus 1 by 3 factorial into a0, just you put over here, and a3 value, a4 value we got this one, I have been substituted over here into x to the power 5, and the general form we found this one, I have been substituted in between the series over here plus dot 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 dot. Now we have to take common a0 from all the terms. We can found y equal to a0 into x minus 2 into n minus 1 by 3 factorial into x cube plus x to the power q plus minus 2 to the power 2 n minus 1 n minus into n minus 3 by 5 factorial into x to the power 5 dot 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 minus 2 to the power m n minus 1 n minus 3 dot 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 n minus 2m plus 1 into x to the power 2m plus 1 whole divided by 2m plus 1 factorial plus dot 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 bracket closed. Let it is your equation number 16 and let it is y2. Now from equation number 13 and 16, first we found this is your one solution, we found y1. This is your equation number 13 and this is your equation number 16. That is another solution. So the general solution of the Hermite differential equation will be C1y1, the linear combination of the two solutions, that will be C1y1 plus C2y2. So this is the all about the derivation of the differential equation and its solution by using power series method. So here is nothing, this is continuous, continue is there, plus dot 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 this term again plus dot 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 dot. Okay, so watch carefully, write down the note carefully, and may you are going to thinking that why I am not considering this solution, because this is also a solution, but it has contained that a0 and a1 term, but the general solution is written in the form of only a0. See, y2 contains only a0, and here the solution whatever we have been considered only a0. Only for that the so-called the general solution of the Hermite differential equation is this one. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.